Poor Sanyatwe will be poisoned in Belarus. Zanapenda masho kubuda pango ino chonko kunzi. Retired General Sanyatwe anozikana kunzi is an ally of VP Kostano Chwenga, and he took part in the 2017 transition which ushered President E.D. Mnangagwa as president. Pangwa Inoi Oya Matrets Argunzi. Pangwa Inoi, he is under attack and his life is now at risk. Pangwa Inoi Pachi Uyama poisoning threats. Achinzi, he will be poisoned in Belarus. Sana pena mashu kablanyi kwa Pangwa Inoi. Karibu subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kerina mchata nublanyi chiti. Do kunema assassins. Comrade, do not be too comfortable when you are abroad. The mnangagwa family will eliminate you through these trips. Musajike kana kumwa kana kugara zvimahotera zvavo. Make your own arrangements. You would have saved your life and thank me later. Unposted this picture amuri kuona kanzi Zimbabwe in Belarus signed landmark sports cooperation agreement. Doma developments arikuda panguva ino arikuya panapa achinyorwa according kwemashoko anotaurwa naKirina Mujati as warnings arikuya achipiwa kuna General Anselm Sanyatwe anozikanwa kuti is VP Kostano Chwenga's ally. Doma developments aripo panguva ino imbori dzemafungiro enyimoti kudi pamusoro pemashoko anoitaurwa panapa naMujati. Comment section medu subscribe or like, want you to turn on the bell icon.